Why is it so hard to have friends as an adult? Let's talk about it. When I was younger, I used to have very many friends, and I'm pretty sure for most people that's how it is. And I used to think, oh my God, I'm so friendly. In fact, actually, I am friendly. But it shocked me when I grew up, and as I keep growing older, I keep having less to no friends at all. I remember the first time I started realizing the pattern that I was losing friends. It hurt me so much. I couldn't get over it. I felt like I'm heartbroken. I was literally heartbroken when I started losing my friends, when the distance grew bigger and bigger, when the communication became less, when the chemistry was no longer there, when the text messages were no longer fun, when the phone calls were non-existent. I couldn't believe myself. When the meetings were became boring with friends, I was like, oh my goodness, what's happening? And I'm pretty sure a lot of adults experience this. So what happens when we grow up and lose those connections, those intimate friendship connections that we had when we were younger? So I may not know everything, but I feel like when we grow up, we start to learn exactly who we are, and we start to see differences and similarities in us which we couldn't see when we were younger. When we were young, you all go to the same school, you put on the same uniform, you're not trying to provide for yourself, your parents are providing for you, you eat the same food, if you went to boarding school, you wake up the same time, you do everything together. But after school, you all go in different directions, and separation literally makes it the hardest to keep friends. Long distance relationships are not easy to maintain, and I feel like that is the number one reason why in adulthood we cannot maintain friends. That's why many times when when I see people at the workplace and they're being jealous of each other, I think about it and I'm like, you literally have a chance to make friends here, because if you want to be hating the ones that are close to you, be well assured that the ones that are far away from you don't want you either. That's why I'm now intentional on making sure that the people around me, I just be nice to them, because even though I don't have many friends, I'm friendly, I treat people well, I am kind, I am intentional, because I know there is someone out there who is looking for a friend. And yes, people are looking for friends, but when I see people that are being intentionally rude, intentionally mean, I'm like, you actually think you are doing a service to yourself or a disservice? Anyways, I just feel like as we grow older, the distance and the differences in our lives is what makes it harder for us to make friends. And my advice, wow, what has been working for me is for me to be intentional about the people that are close to me. I don't care if it is a shop that a shop that I keep going to every day. I'm gonna be nice to those people because they're the ones close to me. I don't care if it is a gas station that I keep going to it every day and I see the same person every day. I'm gonna be nice to them. I'm gonna make that person my friend. My hack now to make friends as an adult is to befriend the people around you. Okay? Be nice to the people around you. Smile at them, say hi to them. It doesn't matter if you think they're not the same standard like you. Don't look down on people. Just befriend the people around you. Okay? That is a hack to having no friends as an adult. Just love the people close to you. Love your neighbors. Love the people at the store, the people at the supermarket. Smile at them. people in the bus, that is a hack to how to solve the issue of having no friends as an adult. All right, I hope I brought you value in this video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Love you. Bye.